大家好，我係背心大師。咁啊，SE 路過冷年呢，之前我哋咪話想試下佢個陣容嘅。好啦，咁我哋空裝同帝掹晒啲裝備落嚟先，唔好講咁多嘢。好啦，咁我哋睇下我哋有幾多戰力先。咁我哋就挑戰差不多戰力啦。東尼大叔呢個4億4就揀你啦。上次好似話我有4億4千萬嗰個位置附近嘅戰力嘅。好，放隻原子武士上去先，跟住隻黑光應該係呢個陣啦。後排係僵屍男、吹雪同埋驅動騎士，冇記錯話4億7千萬嘅我都有。咁我可能我戰陣比佢高少少啦。唔係講笑，每個禮拜都買滿個100抽去抽嗰個戰陣㗎。咁我哋睇下先，同阿東尼大叔鬥4億7千萬打個4億4千萬啊！咁我原子武士呢得一角嘅啫，唔緊要，好似都減到攻擊力㗎係嘛？有冇人可以 confirm？好似係減低30%攻擊力嘅。好啦，我又減傷又減攻啦，咁啊睇下係咪俾人打嘅時候冇咁痛先。加個靚速，睇下發生咩事。暈到隻吹雪，咁我就主動攻擊5000萬，再嚟一個追擊1億。哇！打到佢隻吹雪不屈啦，再不屈，再不屈，死埋。嗱，而家係得3隻角色咧係有裝備有練到啊。咁樣嘅話咧，我單復活咧都可以。咁樣諗一諗咧，可以放一隊喎，可以放喺嗰啲道館啊、榮耀嗰啲地方嗰度放3隊，唔知得唔得咧？話咁快咧，打到佢驅動騎士咧，同埋甲蟲已經不屈啦。好，原子武士打落去4隻崩壞，幾犀利喎！隻原子武士同黑光都未死，紅帝空裝都未死，減傷減攻果然有用啊！咁如果大家可以想湊一隊陣容嘅話咧，其實都可以咁樣湊一隊出嚟嘅。咁佢吹雪就死咗啦，咁咪可以瘋狂咁樣追擊。見到而家喺度加格擋率，又出崩壞，又加一啲護體，然之後佢啲驅動騎士又死埋。哇，其實幾勁喎！我心練3隻角色都得啦，再死多次，喂，好慳錢啊！呢個陣容，大家真係可以考慮下。用呢個陣容啊，可以喺無盡嗰度咧，其實殺到入去30、26強喎。冷年大佬真係好嘢，竟然可以諗得出呢個陣容啊！咁都要講講啦，你個底子真係要勁啦。咁冷年大佬咧係上一條片講過嘅，起碼有5億戰力嘅底子陣容嚟嘅。咁好明顯啦，我係有6億戰力嘅底子陣容啦。咁我專登去換咗啲角色，咁得翻4億4，咁梗係勁啦嗰3隻角色。咁呢個版本咧雙復活陣真係好勁嘅。如果你單復活咧，其實真係有啲困難嘅，同對手去打。要多啲輔助角色去幫手啦。咁見到頭先我有原子武士同埋黑光，咁我哋都係試一試佢嗰陣嘅啫。咁我都覺得非常之湊效喎，因為我都冇諗過同埋冇真正試過呢一個陣容啦。咁我而家試第一次係覺得，哇！後面嗰3隻角色點解可以咁硬，仲未死嘅？我隻驅動騎士雖然俾人暈咗，但係都仲未死過喎，好似即係照計咧，對方有吹雪又有甲蟲咧，其實應該係俾佢打到7彩嘅。然之後我哋吹雪係企到第3個回合都未死咯，係非常之罕有嘅事情嚟嘅。然之後先第一次突發不屈，咁其實第4回合都仲企咗喺度喎。好，咁我哋飛啦。第2個對手先，車海印4億4一樣啫。咖喱魚蛋可以，機械豬放一隻5頭冇吹雪唔打啦，打咖喱魚蛋大佬啦。魚蛋大佬咧就甲蟲驅動，傾。呢個陣容勁啦，咁可以試下同佢打呢個真係。佢冇吹雪啦，咁我可以做個追擊先嘅。唔知當我哋7000萬戰力可唔可以試下呢？咁我哋 try 佢，都係試下咋，唔知得唔得㗎？魚蛋大佬隻甲蟲呢，就同排咗阿 King 啦，咁就可以做好多嘅瘋狂追擊啦。第一個回合可能10次都不等嘅。冇記錯咧，佢個冷血咧同埋爆發都放喺怪人嗰邊嘅。變相咧，其實佢如果我哋吹雪死咗咧，佢係可以無限咁樣攻擊我嘅。咁其實呢一個係一個非常之好擺甲蟲係傾嘅方法嚟嘅，亦都係一個打好好嘅後手嘅方法嚟嘅。好，原子武士上個崩壞先，咁佢隻甲蟲打咗好多拳啦，再主動追擊。好，黑光同埋原子武士死晒㗎啦，咁都正常嘅。扭曲力場啦，打咗落我度啦。咁其實我基本上咧係冇乜點出過手嘅，應該見到我左下角嘅扭曲力場咧，基本上係冇儲過氣咁滯嘅。唔緊要，我哋吹雪起碼有出過手，然之後再出，所以都仲有啲力嘅，可以慢慢咁樣磨佢咧，用持續傷害。哇！咁快咧，佢6隻角色就仲健在嘅，我咧就得翻3隻後排角色。 都預咗嘅。咁啊，咖喱魚蛋大佬咧，其實都5億4千萬戰力啊，非常之硬，非常之痛。而家我全部角色咧都係冇行動嘅能力嘅。好啦，2次扭曲力場佢都打晒出嚟啦，我1次都未打過嘅。魚蛋大佬瘋狂咁樣控我場啦，咁基本上我係喐唔到咁滯嘅。好，咁我隻僵屍男都起碼打出個冷血有啲輸出啦。好彩我持續傷害都仲有啲力，咁就終於打低咗魚蛋大佬隻銅帝啦。好啦，跟住就地底王出手啦，又俾佢暈炸2隻角色啦。吹雪冇事，佢冷血喺怪人度，都冇事。OK， 非常之幸運啊！呢個真係幸運之中嘅幸運。咁大家可以繼續睇埋落去啦。最後咧係得翻我隻驅動同埋咖喱魚蛋隻甲蟲嘅，非常之有趣嘅呢個陣容。咁大家都可以不妨試下。如果你後排3隻角色調整完之後有2億戰力，咁你就打到2億戰力嘅人啦，有機會可以挑戰到3億，但係機會都唔大嘅。但係起碼 at least 拖到10個回合有機會。純粹一個小實驗啦，見到冷年大佬玩得咁過癮，記得 comment、like、subscribe 同 share 個 channel 啦，下次見，拜拜。
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong